With users at over 50% of Global 500 corporations, as well as SMB companies across industries, we are confident to be able to deliver a tailored solution that fits your business.
During the course of our due diligence, as we looked to determine who we were going to partner with, we had the opportunity to work with a number of other competitive providers of this solution. What we walked away with was an extraordinary appreciation for the depth, the competency, and the capabilities for customization that ABUKAI truly delivers to their customers. As we all know, time is money, and that's where our CFO comes in. Our CFO took very little time to analyze what the proposed cost savings were for the productivity that this created, not just for our sales organization. Our CFO, being directly in charge of payables, accounting, and finance, very quickly realized that the efficiencies that are driven through ABUKAI's electronic solution are driven throughout the organization. At one board meeting, our CFO had the opportunity to really express how much that savings had created in the quarter. At the time, the number that was created was about a 13 to 15% decrease in the time, energy, and more importantly, the money it required to deliver our expense reports in our prior state. Great job, ABUKAI. Thank you.
ABUKAI's unique patented receipt recognition technology reads out the data from receipts and invoices and automatically fills out expense report forms. To discuss how ABUKAI can support your business, contact us at sales@abukai.com.